Hello, foodies! Welcome back to Cook and Travel. Today we're embarking on a culinary journey to create homemade samosas, those golden, crispy delights we all love. We'll need all-purpose flour, potatoes, fresh peas, and an array of spices. These simple ingredients, combined with a touch of magic, will bring our samosas to life. So prepare your kitchen space, don your favorite apron, and gather these ingredients. Grab your apron, we're about to start cooking. The heart of any good samosa lies in its crispy, flaky exterior. The secret is in the dough preparation, mixing, kneading, resting, each step carefully crafted to achieve the perfect texture. Patience is key here. Our dough is resting and getting ready for the star-studded filling. Now it's time for the magic to happen, the filling. We're blending a flavorful fusion of potatoes, peas, and a medley of spices. This symphony of flavors, once sautéed and seasoned, sings the true song of a samosa. The aroma alone will have you counting down the minutes. With our dough and filling ready, it's time for the fun part, shaping the samosas. We're crafting these into perfect little triangles, sealing the edges to ensure they're ready for frying. But remember, it's not just about the looks, it's what's inside that counts. Now, we're immersing them in hot oil, watching as they transform into golden brown pockets of deliciousness. The aroma is tantalizing. The color, a perfect golden brown. Golden brown on the outside, flavor-packed on the inside. That's the secret to a perfect samosa. And there you have it, folks. Our homemade samosas are ready to steal the show. Golden, crispy, and bursting with flavor, they're just begging to be dipped in chutney or your sauce of choice. It's been a culinary journey, hasn't it? If you've loved this recipe as much as I have, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more delectable adventures, and don't forget to share your favorite samosa memories in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating.